Hello friends, in this video I discussed important current affair news of 16 July 2020. If this video is useful to you, please like the video and share with your friends and do subscribe the channel Bitpaper for daily updates. Thanks in advance. Mars 2020 mission of NASA is to be launched on July 30, 2020. Ingenuity is a robotic helicopter that is to be deployed in Mars 2020 mission. The helicopter being attached to the mission will check how the condition on Mars affect aviation. Ingenuity is a technology demonstration. It is the first aircraft to perform controlled flight on another planet. Mars Mission 2020. The Mars mission will seek signs of habitable condition on Mars. PM Modi will deliver an address on the eve of 75th anniversary of the UN. The Prime Minister is to speak at the valedictory of high-level segment of United Nations Economic and Social Council. The Council holds high-level meet every year. It was established as one of the 6 principal organs of the United Nations. The PM is addressing at the Union for the first time after India won its membership in United Nations Security Council. Theme of the meet is multilateralism after COVID-19. Every year, World Youth Skills Day is celebrated on July 15th. The day is celebrated to recognize the importance of equipping young people with skills of employment, entrepreneurship and decent work. The theme of this year's Youth Skills Day is Skills for a Resilient Youth. ISRO Chief K. Sivan named for an award. ISRO Chief Dr. K. Sivan has been named as the recipient of the 2021 Karman Award of the International Academy of Astronautics. The award, which is the highest distinction of the Academy, will be conferred in March 2021 in Paris. Charles Hilachi was the previous recipient of the award, which has been named after Theodore von Karman, who was an aerospace engineer. Ashok Lavasa was appointed as the Vice President of Asian Development Bank. Ashok Lavasa, a 1980 batch retired IAS officer, was serving as the Election Commissioner and is next in line to become Chief Election Commissioner. He has now been appointed as Vice President of ADB for Public-Private Partnerships and Private Sector Operations. India's first transshipment hub in Cochin Port, Kerala, the Minister of State for Shipping Sri Manasukh Mandavia reviewed the development activities of Vallarpadam Terminal at Cochin. The terminal accommodates India's first transshipment hub. A transshipment hub handles containers and stores them temporarily. Later, it transfers them to other ships for onward destination. The Vallarpadam terminal of Cochin Seaport, where the hub is located, is the most preferred gateway for South India and also a leading transshipment hub for South Asia. BCCI has appointed Himang Amin as the new interim CEO of the board. The announcement was made on July 13, 2020, and the employees have been informed about the new arrangement. BCCI functionary, while commenting on the appointment of Himang Amin, stated that he has been one of the hardest workers in BCCI in the last couple of years and his appointment to the position was an apt move.